Welcome to Skillfeed Official. Let's see how to use filter function in Excel sheets. The filter function allows you to filter a range of data based on criteria you define. In the cell, give equal to filter. Open parenthesis. Now select the array you want to filter. Comma is number function. Open parenthesis. Search. Open parenthesis. Double quotes. Enter the search term. Here, I give apple. Now give close double quotes. Comma. Select the range. Close parenthesis, again close parenthesis, and again close parenthesis. We get the result. Let me change the term to mango. And now to lassi. There is another method for filter using menu bar. We will see it in the next video.